So I always try to cater to the customer. So it's my ambition that it's not only filling your stomach, but people also like it. I'm Eun-Ky Park. I'm a WHU graduate of 2001. So it's been, oh my God, it's been already 20 years. Time is flying. So for the last 20 years, I've been working in the media and entertainment industry. And last year in January, I joined Disney. And there I'm Senior Vice President and also General Manager for the media sector for Germany, Switzerland and Austria. So I love books, videos, TV series, everything you can imagine. So perfect match. So what I always try to do is kind of to get a real oversight. What am I currently doing? What are my remits? What people do I have? And what is the challenge ahead? I kind of learned, and I had to learn also, to live with what we have and to take that and make like the biggest things out of that. And it's amazing what happens if you really, talk to people. You just ask people, what is your skill? What do you know? What can you contribute? This is our challenge. So looking at my today's job, how do I apply it? I have a lot of different remits. And also in the past, looking at the different companies you have, in the end, the best result you always get if you get out of those silos and try to bring people together for the combined mission. So this is why I really like people who are open, outspoken, and also what I like is to form teams that are very different, so complementary. So I look for different skills, but the same passion level. So it's really the passion, the openness for new things, because we are in an ever-transforming world. So look at the media and entertainment industry. I mean, what has happened over the last 10 years is amazing. And then a lot of great things happen, and to kind of, put it in outlines, structure that, prioritize, and put this to life is, I think, my daily job and also like the way I approach things. I really enjoy cooking. If I think about it, cooking and eating, probably that's related. One of my really big hobbies. It relaxes me, it calms me down, and I just like that you're crafting something. So usually, even if I know it's 3 people coming, I cook for 10. So sometimes you have people who don't like mushrooms and somebody comes and is vegan or something, so you always have to cater to different tastes. So I will look, what do we have? I look at it and then some idea forms in my head and then I just cook. If I would sum up the connections I did at WHU in one sentence, I'd say at WHU I met friends and even my husband for life. And I still remember the first sentence the dean told us on our first day. He said, "The university is yours, you can do whatever you want." So we started a lot of funny initiatives. I still remember, I think the year before us, they started the sports event. We were kind of, had no clue how much work that is, so we decided to make it bigger. So invite European universities from all over Europe, adding more sports disciplines. Today it's called Euromasters. At that time it was still called Eurosports. It's really a fantastic network. And my piece of advice would be, always look for a pond that's big enough for you, slightly too cold. Try to swim, try to survive, especially when you're young, you're fearless, you have so much things to give. A lot of companies are already in their daily business, but you are fresh. So bring that as your key asset, bring your energy, and then deliver something really great.